PubG mobile update stuck, how to fix update problems. So if you're having issues whenever you're trying to update the PubG mobile through your Play Store, the first thing you want to try to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure that you have got a stable internet connection. Second is verify that you have plenty or ample of storage left in your phone, because without proper storage also you could be facing such issues. So you need to make sure you have at least 6 to 7 or 10 gigabytes of free storage on your device, and restart your phone after making sure that you have got ample storage. So over here you can go to storage and see that you have got enough storage left, and try to clean up any storage that you have. You can also try to clear the Play Store cache. So on Android, long press the Play Store app icon, then tap on the I button to come to the app info page, then go to storage usage and tap on clear cache right here. And after that, you should be able to basically re-update your PubG mobile from your Play Store. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.